Welcome to the video on lab blood samples. I am Dr. Anjani Kumar. In your lab notebook, choose 4 different slides of blood samples. Draw and label what you observe at 400x magnification. This video will focus on the study of blood and its use in forensic science. Blood evidence can be categorized as class evidence through blood typing or individual evidence through DNA profiling. Blood spatter analysis can also help recreate a crime scene. Historically, the study of blood began with the Egyptians in 2500 BC, followed by the Greeks. In 1659 AD, Leeuwenhoek viewed blood cells with a microscope. The first blood transfusion was performed in 1795, and Landsteiner discovered the A, B, and O blood types in 1901. The discovery of blood types continued, with De Castello discovering AB blood type in 1902. In 1935, a method to store blood for transfusions was developed. The 1900s saw the first presumptive blood test. Later, the first AIDS case was recorded in 1959, and the virus was identified in 1984. From 1987 to 2002, blood screening tests for infectious diseases were developed. Blood is composed of cells, making up 45%, and plasma, making up 55%. Cells include red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Plasma is 90% water and contains dissolved proteins, nutrients, and wastes. Red blood cells, or erythrocytes, carry oxygen and carbon dioxide. They are produced in the bone marrow and lack internal organelles. Hemoglobin, an iron-containing protein, binds to oxygen and gives blood its red color. White blood cells, or leukocytes, fight disease and foreign invaders. They are produced in the bone marrow and are considered quote, true cells because they have a nucleus. Platelets are tiny cell fragments essential for blood clotting. A presumptive test for blood presence is the Kastle-Meyer test. The Kastle-Meyer test procedure involves several steps: wetting a cotton swab with distilled water and rubbing the stain, adding ethyl alcohol to expose hemoglobin, then adding phenolphthalein and hydrogen peroxide. If blood is present, the swab will turn pink. It is important to be aware of false positives with the Kastle-Meyer test. Certain non-blood substances, such as vegetables containing peroxidases and copper or nickel salts, can also yield a positive result. Next, we will look at blood typing. Blood typing is less expensive and quicker than DNA profiling, providing class evidence. It can be used to link or exclude a suspect to a crime scene, but it does not prove guilt. The discovery of blood types began with Karl Landsteiner in 1901, who found that blood from different people did not always mix freely. Clumping of mixed blood can lead to death. Blood types are identified using an antibody reaction test based on cell surface proteins like A, B, and Rh factor. There are 4 main ABO blood types, with different prevalence in the population. Type A has A antigens, type B has B antigens, type AB has both, and type O has neither. These antigens are found on the surface of red blood cells. Our bodies can distinguish between self and non-self. White blood cells engulf invaders. Antibodies are Y-shaped proteins secreted by white blood cells to aid the immune response. Antibodies bind to antigens, which are foreign substances or cells. Regarding antibodies, type A makes anti-B antibodies, type B makes anti-A antibodies, and type O makes both anti-A and anti-B antibodies. Notably, type AB makes no antibodies. This chart summarizes the relationship between red blood cell type, antibodies present in the plasma, and antigens present on the red blood cells for all 4 ABO blood groups. The antigen-antibody response involves the immune system attacking invaders. White blood cells create antibodies that attach to foreign proteins, which are then engulfed. Agglutination is the clumping of blood cells that occurs during this process. The Rh factor is another important protein found on red blood cells, discovered in 1940. Approximately 85% of people are Rh positive or Rh plus, and 15% are Rh negative or Rh minus. Now we will discuss blood typing analysis. Blood typing analysis involves mixing a blood sample with 3 antibodies, anti-A, anti-B, and Rh. If the blood clumps, the corresponding proteins are present. If there is no clumping, those proteins are absent. Beyond ABO and Rh factors, additional enzymes and proteins have been found in the blood. These include phosphoglucosamidase, adenylate kinase, esterase D, and polymorphic proteins like group-specific components and haptoglobins. Thank you for watching this video on blood typing and analysis.